Imagine this. You're sitting with someone who tells you they love you, but you can't shake off the doubt. You want to believe them, but past experiences and trust issues keep you from fully opening up. Sound familiar? Let's dive into a common scenario. You've been seeing someone for a few months. They're consistent, always there when they say they will be, and genuinely seem to care about your well-being. Yet every time they say, "I love you," you question it. You start analyzing every word and action, looking for hidden meanings or signs of insincerity. An innocent miscommunication can spiral into a full-blown conflict, fueled by past betrayals and the fear of getting hurt again. Trust issues can turn small misunderstandings into mountains of doubt. To help us understand how to navigate these turbulent waters, we gathered insights from trusted sources like Psych2Go, the School of Life, and Therapy in a Nutshell. Here are some signs that your partner genuinely cares about you. 1. Consistency. They keep their promises and are reliable in their actions. 2. Respect. They respect your boundaries, opinions, and feelings. 3. Support. They stand by you in both good and bad times, offering emotional and practical support. 4. Communication. They are open, honest, and transparent, willing to discuss any concerns you have. These trusted sources emphasize that building trust takes time and effort from both partners. It involves recognizing consistent, respectful, and supportive behaviors and maintaining open lines of communication. Seeking professional help, like couples counseling, can also be beneficial in overcoming trust issues. Building trust isn't easy, but it's possible with patience, open communication, and a willingness to heal from past wounds. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on nurturing healthy relationships. Let's build trust together, and don't forget to check out these 2 related videos. Mindful communication to improve your communication skills, and why do they send mixed signals? To gain more understanding about trust issues and how to overcome them. Enhance your relationship toolkit and move towards a healthier, more trusting connection.